Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to view the terms of service in Crackle. Now let us begin. Do note that in order to do so, you guys do not even need to be signed up. Well, it's quite easy. All you guys have to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom till you see the footer. I'm simply gonna scroll down. Well, as you guys can see, this is the footer. Now let's simply focus on this section called as Stay Legal. If you simply scroll down, you can see something called as Terms of Service, and you note that you can view the same thing by another way. All you guys need to do is focus on the top right, that's your account, simply hover over it and just go to settings. Once you guys do that, once again you will be redirected to the settings page. Simply scroll down and guys, this is it. In the Stay Legal section, once again, Terms of Service. This process requires you to scroll a bit less. I'm simply gonna click on the Terms of Service button right here. And this is it guys. This is the page that you are looking for. That is Terms of Service. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.